very happy that I know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So let's begin. The first step, you have to get the white cross. So I'm gonna look for white and orange. Okay, found white and orange. White and blue. Actually, let's do white and green. White and blue this time. There it is. White and red. There's white and red. So just flip it. Now we got the white cross. So now we want to get these 4 corners. To get that, we're going to have to look carefully. Okay, got it. There we go. This is what we need to do. And now it's time to get these middle rows. So green goes there. Guys, I'm not gonna talk. I don't want to talk because that's how the video gets longer. So I'm not gonna talk, but I'm gonna talk when I'm done with it. I'm gonna talk when I'm actually done with the steps, and then I'll explain the next step. So this is done. The middle row is done. Okay. Look at that. We can't even use any. There's actually a trick if you can't use any. Blue and orange are done. So the middle row is done. Done. So now let's do, oh, we got the rod already, so actually lucky. Okay, we got the cross. We have to try at least matching to 1, 2, okay. One, 2, 3, and 4. Wrong corner, correct corner, wrong corner, and wrong corner. Correct one on the right side. Let's do this. Correct, 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 and correct. Time for the last algorithm. You can hold it however you want. I'm just gonna hold it like this. And this is the longest algorithm yet. After one corner is completed, you put it on the other side. It doesn't matter if the other corner is not on the other side. It's not a big deal. Okay. Let's just keep doing it. Blue side is done. Now we keep doing it until the Rubik's Cube is all solved. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.